Hello dear students, this is the second part of first chapter of geography, the earth in the solar system. So today we are going to study about the solar system. Now, solar system. First question is that what is solar system? The sun and its family is known as solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other heavenly bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. They all together form the solar system. Now the sun is the center of the solar system and all the other heavenly bodies revolve around it. Now the next point is that the solar system consists of 8 planets and the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now the next point is that the solar system consists of 8 planets and the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now as you can see on the screen children, the solar system consists of planets, sun, meteoroids, asteroids, satellite, earth. So let us study one by one. Now the sun. Sun is the center of the solar system. It is used as well as made up of extremely hot gases, hydrogen and helium. These are the names of the gases, hydrogen and helium, of which the sun is made up of. It is the main source of heat and light in the solar system. And the surface temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. It is about 13 lakh times bigger than the earth. The distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometers. The time taken by the light to reach the earth's surface is 8 minutes 20 seconds. It's the gravitational force of the sun that keeps all the planets in their orbit. Means it binds the solar system by pulling force. Which pulling force? Gravitational force. It keeps all the planets in their orbit. Now we will take the term planets. The term planet has been derived from the Greek word planete, which means wandering star. Planets do not have their own light, they are lit by the light of stars. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are arranged according to their distance from the sun. Orderly. All the planets move around the sun in fixed path known as orbits. It means they are moving in a fixed path and that path is known as orbit. Next one, all the planets rotate on their axis while revolving around the sun. Here I have given the definitions of the orbit, revolution and rotation. So it is easy for you to understand all these 3 terms. First one, what is orbit? So the path followed by the planets around the sun to make a complete revolution is known as orbit. Revolution, completion of one round by a heavenly body around the sun is known as revolution, and the rotation, completion of one round by a heavenly body on its own axis in a day is called rotation. Next one, different planets take different times period to complete its revolution around the sun. Now these are some facts about the planets. First one, all the planets are spherical in shape. Second, they revolve around the sun in elliptical paths called orbits. Orbit, I have already told you that what is orbit. Mercury is the closest and takes 88 days to complete one revolution. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete its revolution. All planets rotate from west to east. Now pay attention everyone. All planets rotate from west to east. It means anti-clockwise, but only Venus. Venus is the exception. Venus rotates from east to west clockwise. Venus is also the brightest planet and can be seen with naked sky in the night. Mars is known as red planet. Jupiter is the largest and Mercury is the smallest planet. Second largest planet is Saturn. Neptune is the farthest planet. The closer a planet it is to the sun, the hotter it is. And farther a planet is from the sun, the colder it is. The only planet which has a ring of system around it is Saturn. Earth is also called blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water, and when we see it from space it appears blue in color. That's why it is known as blue planet. Also, the planets have been categorized as inner planets and the outer planets. Now, the inner planets, which are the inner planets? The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are very close to the sun. They are made up of rocks and they have few moons. Outer planets. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are made up of gases and liquids. They have many moons and they are far from the sun.